Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick run through tutorial of how you can achieve a ninja bun hairstyle that also has bangs in it. The bangs or bangs, you guys get the drift. Anyway, what I'm just doing now is prepping my hair. I'm using my mega growth conditioner, leave-in conditioner, so my hair is as sleek as possible. And you want to make sure that you pack your hair towards the front side, like make it come to the front so that the bangs looks as natural as possible. I honestly don't know what I was doing here, guys. Please just ignore. Anyway, I'm just going to be plaiting that up, then I'm going to be rolling that around my hair and creating this sort of natural bun. Now I'm taking these attachments which are already picked out and combed, you know that thing we do before we use our attachments. So now I'm attaching the rubber which I already had in place in the attachment. I picked one end of the rubber and I'm just going to attach that onto my own natural bun, and then I'm going to be dividing one of the halves of the attachment into two. And yeah, I'm going to be taking one of that half. I'm making sure that the halves are equal, or a little, the halves are a little more than the other. So the one that is a little more than the other, I'm going to be folding up in this motion, and I'm going to be taking a pin and I'm going to be securing it onto the roots of where that ends. Yeah, so I have this length which I'm going to be working in with my bangs. For now I'm just going to pin that aside and continue with my ninja bun. So now I'm taking this other half that I first splitted and I'm going to be wrapping that around this bun that I already have on my hair. Guys, you want to make sure that this is as neat as possible. Make sure it is tight but not too tight. You don't want it loose so that it is not loose, it will not loosen or something. So I'm just going to wrap that in a tight motion. Then I'm going to take this other one and I'm going to split it into two equal halves as well. And then I'm going to take my comb and brush that out because I want it to be as smooth and flawless as possible. So I'm going to take that particular side, I don't know what I was checking for. I'm going to take this particular one now and also wrap it the other way around. Yes, I'm going to wrap it around my hair, trying to follow like a smooth procedure. I'm trying to make sure it's as smooth as possible. As you guys can see, I loosened that and retried because it wasn't tight enough. Like I said, guys, you don't want this to come off, you want it to be as tight as possible. So I'm just going to wrap that around, and then I'm going to take this last one and then I'm going to wrap it in the other direction again so that it is like equally distributed, and I'm going to wrap that well around it. As you can see, it's already having a smoother look and finish. Then I'm going to take my pin, my bobby pin, and I'm just going to pin that down. Now I'm going to start working on my bangs. So what you want to do is first comb it out with a small comb. In this case I'm using what we call a tail comb. So you want to comb that out and distribute it up to the sides of your hair so that you know it has the full coverage of bangs. Now you're going to divide this and take like a little bit on each end and separate it from the entire bangs or hair, and then you're going to go right ahead and cut the one in the middle. That is the one that is going to like form the, you know, the upper bang and curve on your hair. So now I'm combing it out to look at the sparseness, because we want it to be sparse so that it is as natural as possible. Hence why I'm doing this up and down motion with my scissors and cutting through the hair. So I did a lot of cutting. I still ended up reducing the length of this hair because I saw it was going to obstruct or something with my lashes when I'm done with my makeup. So you just want to make sure that you keep, you know, cutting and trying it. Now you're going to go to this other one you left out and you're going to cut in a diagonal shape. You don't want to cut straight because then that is going to be blunt. You want a diagonal shape that gives it a pencil kind of look. Now I'm just picking it out to make sure that it is as pencil-like and smooth as possible. Yeah, that's what you want to do. Now I'm going back into my bangs and I'm cutting in that up and down motion just to make sure that it is not too crowded or too full. I did a lot of this, guys. Like I said, please cut as much as possible. You can still reduce the length, which is what I ended up doing even after I straightened. So now I'm taking in my straightener, which I already plugged in, and then I removed to cool down a bit because like I said, this is braiding hair, you don't want it to burn. So you're just going to straighten that a little with some sort of curve as you're straightening it, and then you're going to comb that out. I actually still straighten it more than this because I didn't want the curve to be that obvious. So you still go through it and cut it and trim it as much as possible, guys. Please, trimming is your friend. Trim and, you know, make sure you enjoy the length as much as possible. So yeah, that's basically it. I lost the end part of this footage, guys. I'm really sorry. I don't understand how it happened, but this is what we have here. This is the finished look and the finished result. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and like this video and let me know what you thought. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next one. Bye bye.